Learn and Grow presents 17 romantic things to do on Valentine's Day that you'll never forget. Get ready to fall in love with these ideas. Chocolate and a bouquet of roses are great Valentine's Day gifts and all, but perhaps the best Valentine's Day idea is to give your loved one time spent together. Back to the quality time idea. In this video we've put together a list of 17 Valentine's Day date ideas for couples to inspire how you spend your night together. Some are low budget, others cost nothing at all. Some are unique activities, others make the everyday extraordinary. Some are fancy, others feel equally casual and comfortable. All are sure to make for a romantic time together. Number 1. Play a game. When was the last time you played a game with just the two of you? Pick a favorite from the closet, or try a new couples-themed game, like Talk, Flirt, Dare or Our Moments. Number 2. Make playlists for each other. Spend some time putting together playlists for each other on your favorite streaming service. Choose songs that spark memories of your relationship or simply tunes you know your significant other will love. Then pour some wine, turn on the music, and reminisce. Number 3. Take a hike. Even if it's cold where you live, taking a scenic hike is a great way to unplug and unwind this Valentine's Day. Maybe there's a favorite spot where you live, or you might want to try one of the best hikes. Either way, you're bound to have a fun time because you're in great company. Number 4. Volunteer together. One of the best ways to spend the day together is to choose a cause you're both passionate about and sign up to volunteer. You'll do some good for others and yourself, as volunteering can make you feel more connected to each other and the community. Visit to search local organizations and volunteer opportunities. Number 5. Go stargazing. You don't need a telescope to set up a stargazing date. Just head to your own backyard with a warm, outdoor blanket and use a stargazing app to help identify constellations in the night sky. Number 6. Play tourist in your own town. Is there a landmark in your town that you've always wanted to visit? Or a museum you've never seen? Become tourists in your own home and finally check off one or two of those bucket list items you keep putting off. Get into the role by snapping tons of pictures throughout the day. Number 7. Set up a waffle bar. Is brunch your favorite meal to eat together? Build the waffles of your dreams by setting up a DIY waffle bar. All you need is some waffle batter, a waffle maker, and all the toppings your heart's desire. Try the sautéed apples, pear and cranberries shown here. Number 8. Make a scrapbook of your relationship. Even partners who aren't so into crafts will get a kick out of this fun activity. Gather up photos of your relationship, old ticket stubs, and meaningful receipts, and make a beautiful book that you'll both treasure. Number 9. Bake something sweet. Baking is a fun way to spend more time with your significant other. And you'll have a sweet reward to enjoy together, like these caramel chocolate walnut thumbprint cookies. Number 10. Go for a drive. No destination? No problem. All you need for this fun Valentine's Day activity is a sense of adventure and a full tank of gas. You'll both get out of your comfort zones while you explore new terrain. There's no telling what you might stumble across. You can also check out our list of the best road trips in every state. Number 11. Craft something together. Try your hand at some DIY Valentine's Day crafts at home. Consider an art project that you can hang somewhere in the house or craft creative picture frames for favorite photos. Number 12. Cook dinner together. A special home-cooked meal can be so much more romantic than going out to eat at a super busy restaurant. Even if one of you doesn't have chef-worthy skills, you can still make a memorable dinner you'll both enjoy. Number 13. Write love letters to each other. If you've never done it before, now's the time to put in writing why your partner is so special to you. Tell them which of their qualities you most admire, how they make you feel, and why you fell in love with them. Number 14. Have a romantic movie marathon. Grab the popcorn and settle in on the couch for an evening filled with your favorite rom-coms, like these favorite Valentine's Day movies. Number 15. Exchange heartfelt gifts. No, February 14th doesn't have to be all about presents, but it is nice to give and receive a little token of affection. Consider purchasing an item your loved one has always wanted, or even just gifting a DIY Valentine's Day card. Number 16. Have a Parisian date night. Pretend like you're in the city of love this Valentine's Day. Make sweet crepes, share a bottle of wine, and put on some romantic music to set the tone. Number 17. Take a trip. Take a day or an entire weekend and venture to a destination neither of you have been before on a romantic getaway. You'll get out of your comfort zone and have a fabulous time doing it.